A 71-year-old man with a perfect record is accused of running a school bus stop sign. He says the cop is lying, so the judge demands the dash cam.
Let's go back on Green. Let's go back on Mr. Green, William Green. I'm giving you an opportunity, sir, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
You're on the failure of the school bus charge and the other matter to be dismissed.
Mr. Green, you want
The defendant agrees, but the judge reveals the very high
to,
fine.
you want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
That's an expensive charge there. I will find your client responsible for the as charged and the school bus charge. You stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
I find your client responsible as charged in the failure to stop at a school bus. It's $295.
Is what?
It's $295. Trying to protect kids, Mr. Green. You gotta stop when that school bus thing comes on.
Well, I'm not gonna take the plea. I'll go to court because no.
Well, we're in court now, so we're in court now. All right, so go back to and talk to Mr. Berry about it. Because the officer's here, and I don't know if they're ready to go or not, but rejoin the breakout room and talk to Mr. Berry, all right?
Seeing his clean record, the judge offers to reduce the fine.
I got the authority to reduce the fine, Mr. Green, unless you still want your day in court, we can do that. I can fine you $100 for it. But if you want your day in court, we can hold the hearing.
I probably could afford the $100.
You want to admit to it?
Beg your pardon?
Do you want to admit to what the officer said you did, failing to stop at a school bus while flashing red?
I will,
But
sir.
when the judge asks why he did it, his story changes everything.
Yes, sir.
I don't know why?
Sir?
Why? This is the real question.
Your Honor, the bus was over in the right lane. It wasn't doing any school hours. And he had his flashes on. The stop sign wasn't out. He was over in the far right lane. The policeman was in the center lane, like he was having a conversation with the bus driver. There was nobody walking on the street, period. It wasn't during school hours, and I slowed down when I was approaching. I almost stopped. I wasn't even going nowhere near 5 miles an hour. I slowed down and kept going. I didn't stop. I didn't come to a complete stop.
The judge brings in the officer, whose story is completely different.
All right, Your Honor. So the incident was caught on my dash cam. The stop sign on the school bus was out. The red flashers were activated, and I came to a stop for the bus because the lights were out and the stop sign was on. He then passed me on my left, but the issue is, as I approached the front of the school bus, there were two kids waiting across the street.
Oh,
So
Lord.
I let the kids cross and then went after Mr. Green.
Oh.
The judge is stunned by the defendant's reaction to the officer's claim.
I wish you could show him the dash cam.
He's
sitting up there, oh Lord, Lord, I can't believe this. This guy is lying on me.
Well, Your Honor, if you want to adjourn it, I'll be glad to show the dash cam. I can't show it right this moment, but I can show it tomorrow or any other date he wants to see it. I have no need to lie about
I
School
didn't
bus.
say you're lying. I'm not saying you're lying. And I didn't say that Mr. Green says you're lying either. I just said Mr. Green's reaction kind of
Right.
took me like, oh, Lord.
Yeah.
He didn't characterize it as lying either. I should have characterized it as he didn't see the kids, or oh, Lord, I didn't see them kids, or whatever he was thinking.
Yeah, they were
The defendant doubles down, insisting the officer is lying now.
Because I did not see no stop sign out, and I even told the officer when he
Take
pulled
that
me
cigarette
over.
out your hand now.
Okay, it wasn't lit, but I even told the officer when he pulled me over that the stop sign wasn't out, and he told me well the flashes was on, and that's all that needed to be on.
And that's all that needs to be on. I just read you the statute.
Well, I'm
But-
just saying the stop sign wasn't out, and he's now saying that it was.
the stop sign was out. Yes, sir.
The judge has heard enough. He makes a final decision for the day.
Go. When can you bring the video tomorrow on Thursday?
I can show the video tomorrow, sir. Oh, I can. Yes, I can do it tomorrow.
Show it Thursday. Come back
I can do
on
it Thursday.
Thursday. I want to see this video.
Me,
And
Yes,
I
sir,
want
not a
Mr.
problem.
And I wanted Mr. Green to see the video as well.
What
Come
time?
back at 8:30.
Okay, Thursday at 8:30. I'll be there.
We'll adjourn this till August strike that till July the 31st. July the 31st, we'll adjourn it to at 8:30. Bring the
Yes, sir.
video.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Go ahead,
you
Mr.
we're gonna view it Thursday,
Thursday, yes.
because I was kind of confused when you were saying July.
Now, yeah, July 31st, that's Thursday. Isn't it?
Yeah, today is the 29th.
Yeah.
Now you confusing me.
It's because you said January 1st, Judge.
All right, we're gonna see the video.
Yes, sir. I'll see you on Thursday.
All right, Mr. Green, be safe. With Sergeant Robinson, I know he's gonna be back Thursday, sure.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Green, you coming back Thursday?
Thursday, 8:30.
Okay, have a good
A
day.
71-year-old man versus a police officer's dash cam. Who is telling the truth? The judge will see the evidence and decide. Justice is coming.
This transcript is from a Detroit court proceeding where multiple defendants appear on traffic and misdemeanor-related cases involving issues like illegal dumping, blocking traffic, suspended licenses, expired plates, and no insurance. The judge moves through each case methodically, offering plea deals, pretrial dates, community service options, fines, and occasionally setting matters for trial when defendants request it. Several defendants are placed in breakout rooms with attorneys or prosecutors to negotiate updated offers, while others accept responsibility through no contest or guilty pleas in exchange for reduced penalties or dismissed charges. One notable case involves Eduardo Marcos Gonzalez, who is accused of illegal dumping. After initially being offered a plea deal, including a delayed sentence and dismissal of other charges, he ultimately discusses the incident, explaining he was helping unload trash from a van without fully understanding the legal consequences. Throughout the session, the judge emphasizes rights such as the right to trial, ensures interpreter access when needed, and imposes penalties ranging from fines and payment plans to community service, while maintaining a structured procedural flow across all cases.